Hi, I'm Ken from the Australasian Dark Sky Alliance. The Globe at Night web app allows you to contribute data to an international science project measuring light pollution. It's easy to do and all you need is a mobile device. First of all, you need to find the web app. Just go to your browser and type in Globe at Night web app. When you open it, it will usually be in a nighttime version, but could also be in a daytime version, which is easy to change. Remember, to do your readings, you do need to adapt to the conditions where you do the reading for at least 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be particularly dark, it's more important that you are adapted to where you are. The first step is to put in the observation date and time, which is usually automatically filled in. The second step, if it has access to your GPS, will be to fill in your precise location on the map. But if it hasn't done that, it's easy to put something in. Once you've typed in your location, just press Map It and check that the location is correct. You can slide around the map by using 2 fingers. You can change the location of the pointer by briefly tapping with 1 finger. Once you are happy with the correction, then just tap Location Correct, check the country is correct, and put any comments about where you are, such as whether you're in a suburban location or a country location, whether nearby streetlights or nearby sporting venues. In step 3, we need to assess the number of stars that we can see. You do not have to count the stars, just type through the small maps down the bottom so that what you can see on the large map agrees with what you can see in the sky. In this case, we've got Crux or Southern Cross in the centre and the 2 pointers to the left. Ptolemy is often also known as Alpha Centauri, the brighter of the 2 pointers. Once the map you have agrees with what you can see from your location, you're ready to enter your data. At step 4, you should tap which of the maps agrees with the amount of cloud that you can see and put in any other data that's important. Step 5 only applies if you use a sky quality meter. Step 6, you're ready to send your data. Just tap Submit Data. Now your data is entered. You may wish to record the data number, which is at the top of the grey part. In this case, it's 26479. Makes it easy to find on the world map later on. And down below your data, you can either submit more data, view all the data that's been submitted by this device, or have a look at the interactive map viewer. It's that easy.